The Raging Gill versus ebikes. Subscribe to the channel.
Okay, guys, we're back again today, and today I thought I'll show y'all my comic book. What is it called? Comic Draw app, and how I'm using it. I'm using it to write the script for my comic books. So this is my issue 2 of Raging Gill, and I got up to page 10 on the comic book uh, script. So I thought I would show y'all while update the pages that I'm working on, because I'm actually finished the script. So I figure I'd go ahead and work on updating my comic draw app with issue 2 of the Raging Gill. On this, what's the name? You can work with the pages. That's page 2. It's page 3. That's as far as I've got drawing the pages. But what's cool is, so while you writing your script, if you put it in right, like if you put it in as one of the characters speaking, it does the talking bubble. You know, it does the lettering and all that stuff for you. The captions. If it's a caption, you write cap and what's the name. It'll make it so that when you pull it over, it pulls it over as a caption. See how that is? And you can adjust it once you get here. You can change the fonts, whatever you need to do to change. So if you're having issue with lettering, or doing that, having issues with that, with lettering your comic books, this is an awesome app to use just for the lettering alone. It's awesome. Being You could do everything in this app, but I think its strengths are the fact that you can write your whole script in here and shortcut using your script, and just pull the captions, the wording, and stuff straight from your script into your artwork. So that's how I'm gonna use this app for that, and then and once I do that, I'm gonna port it over to Procreate to finish the artwork and the coloring and all that stuff. So after I do the sketch, lay out the sketch and stuff, that's when I'm gonna import it. I'm gonna do the sketch traditionally on a 11 by 16 paper, and then I'm gonna upload it into the Comic Draw app and do the lettering, all the lettering, text, and everything. And then once I do that, I'll port it over to Procreate to finish it up and get it ready for print. So basically, I'll be doing the lettering and texting before I do the inking, which is, I think, how a lot of people do it. But anyway, let me get to it. I got an external keyboard. This is my iPad Air 13, the 2024. I'm sorry. And I got this keyboard. This keyboard probably costs about $70, $80, but they have these new Black Friday deal stores where like people return stuff to Amazon and stuff, and you can go to the Black Friday stores and they sell it really cheap depending on what day you come in there. Like you can go in there one day, everything's $1. And then if you go in there like Fridays, where you probably gonna find the best deals, stuff is like $10 to $12 for everything you pick up. But I managed to find this keyboard for like $12, and it's specific for the iPad Air 13. So I figured that's the reason why it didn't fit their iPad. And the reason why it was still in the store and nobody got it because it's specific for a 13-inch iPad, and probably a lot of people don't have a 13-inch iPad. But anyways, I'm on page 10, so we're gonna go up to page where I left off at page 10. Yeah, that's page 10. Uh, panel 1. Page 10 only has one panel, and it has two. It has one caption and capper. Okay, I didn't do capper's comments. That's where I left off. Even though the keyboard popped up, I'm gonna use my external keyboard. Yeah, external keyboard. Let's see. Is it mirror? Is that how you spell mirror? Mirror seconds. After departing. Okay. So on this, if you see at the bottom here, down here at the bottom, you see these like tab, page, panel, letter, and caption. So that would be okay. That's the end of that page. So I want to go on to the next page, page 11. So what you would do is go down here at the bottom, hit page, or you could type page. See if you hit page, it starts you a whole new page. And so it's gonna go page 11, and then we can go panel, hit panel, starts you a whole new panel, panel 1. Okay, wait a minute, let me back that up. It took up too much space. Okay, panel 1, and okay, we want to space, give a little space in between each page and panel. So next is Capper. She's speaking. So what you do in this program, you type the character's name, whoever's speaking, which happened to be Capper, and then you hit the double what you call it, double colon, double period or whatever, and then you hit enter, and it automatically gives you the speaking bubble, which lets you know this is one of the characters speaking. and then you just type whatever the character is saying. Move on to the next one. Okay, that's the end of the first panel. Then you go hit panel again for panel 2. And we're going to repeat. Another character speaking, same character. Double colors, space, bubble. There you go, Will. Okay, panel 3. Yeah, so pretty much that's how you do your pages in Comic Draw. It makes lettering your comic book so much easier, and once you do this, and you so you can go by page and page by panels and all that stuff. And so once you add your pages, once you draw your pages and you add them in there, it keeps track of your pages. So say you go to page 10 and you got your whole book drawn and you need to letter it, it'll just automatically take you to page 10. And if you go to panel 1, you pull panel 1, you can, do it by panel or whatever. You can construct your panels that way too. Lay out your panels also from your script. So yes, this is an awesome program. Don't nobody talk about it too much, and I think for a while there it was really popular. People were speaking on it and stuff, and then it just as Procreate incorporate more comic book stuff, and more people did stuff with comic books and learn different tricks and stuff to do your comic books in Procreate. And most people use Clip Studio to do their comic books, or what's the other one? Or one of the other apps or whatever, comic book dedicated apps. But I think this is a great app. I mean, if I didn't have Procreate and I just had this, I would learn how to do everything in this program, because it's even good at porting your pages out for ready for print also. Okay, guys. So I'm so this page 12. I got all the way up to page 24 to do. So I got the whole book. What's layout. So I think you get the idea how you do this. So I'm not gonna make y'all go through this whole the whole script with me. So yeah, so when we come back with the drawing, I'll be sketching out, traditionally page 4. So that's where we'll be.